So what is currently happening to Microvision stock is just crazy. After getting hyped up by WallStreetBets, it performed an incredible 9,000% run on the year and just recently pulled through all-time highs up to $26 again. So what we are going to do today is give you an insight into what is happening to the stock and break down exactly whether it is a buy at the end of this video. But bear in mind that it is absolutely crucial to know what we have to talk about today before buying the stock, so stay tuned for that. Before we jump right in, however, just make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, let's start talking about the stock. So Microvision basically is a developer of laser beam scanning technology. And as it got hyped massively on Reddit recently, it was breaking out by a ton. And although this week right now is somewhat mixed, which resulted in some pullbacks from overbought regions, the big picture is performing really good. With Microvision being up so much in the last few weeks, however, there are some super important things that you need to know about the company. Let's start with the reason why it experienced so much support from Reddit in the first place. And it all began with Jim Cramer, host of CNBC's Mad Money, recently reacting to the stock on live television. While doing this, he then said it has a gigantic short position and advised everyone to avoid the stock. With WallStreetBets, however, grinding to find those highly shorted stocks in order to perform another short squeeze like they did on GameStop, Microvision got hyped up a ton. And, as this is super important for our prediction at the end of the video, the strategy seemed to work with incredible gains as the result. InvestorPlace even reported on Wednesday that the MVIS ticker overtook GameStop in volume of mentions on WallStreetBets at the beginning of the week. It looks like the posts won't slow down either, as Reddit has fueled a Microvision-shaped rocket on its own accord. But the company also likely has competitor Luminar Technologies to thank for some of the day's gains, following an announcement by Luminar that executives from Intel and Tesla would be joining the company. While those executives are coming on board to handle investor relations and legal counsel, nabbing executives from two household name tech titans was sure to renew interest in lighter technologies, the field that Microvision is a big player in. In particular, the vote of confidence from an ex-Tesla employee looks good given CEO Elon Musk's repeated denouncement of lidar. Musk has gone so far as to say he wouldn't use lidar sensors in Tesla vehicles, even if they were free. And bear in mind that the business of Microvision is struggling. Despite the promise of game-changing autonomous driving technology and talk of a potential takeout, Microvision stock remains overvalued at almost 800 times revenue. And while machine vision is likely to be a hot growth industry through the next decade and beyond, investors should keep in mind that there are a variety of competitors in the lighter niche and broader technology category, with Microvision's outlook being highly speculative. It's possible that the company will score big wins with long-range lidar and other solutions, but the company is still very young and has yet to generate substantial revenue, let alone profits. So to sum it all up, the astonishing gains recently are mainly thanks to massive hype on Reddit as they were able to perform another mini short squeeze. But although the stock can gap up huge in the near future, you need to be careful before buying because the high volatility will most surely remain. Alright, with that being it for today's video, however, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.